Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be an introduction to the VN Video Editor program. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, we've got some great suggestions for visual novel editing. First, visit the Play Store on your mobile device and search for VN Video Editor, then install the software. First, launch the VN Video Editor app and tap the plus icon to begin a new project. It's so simple. You can see interference. First one is filter option, and there are lots of options you can choose which is perfect for your video. And second is trim. The next one is effect option. You can choose lots of effects for your video. The next split option allows you to break your video into distinct sections and discard unneeded portions. The next choice is speed, which allows you to modify the speed of the video. You may use this option to create slow motion videos. The next choice is crop, and you can select the ratio for your video. Let's end this video here. In the next part, we will demonstrate how to add text and music to your video.